Today we are at beloved Arawak Beach Club. They have been doing some big renovations, so we're going to take a look around and show you 8 reasons why we love Arawak. It all starts at Arawak's brand new and expanded terrace. Look at how gorgeous this deck is, plenty of areas to sit and take in the view, and then of course you have the brand new and sparkling pool. Pastries from Anguilla's best bakery, and Arawak is perfectly situated just 1 minute away. When you're ready for a morning nap, Arawak's rooms are bright, beautiful, and oh so comfortable. Let's check out unit number 2. This studio suite has everything you need. You have a love seat, a big plush king bed, storage space. You have the huge fridge, coffee maker, hot plate, sink, air conditioning, a big flat screen TV, and through here we love these tiles. Look at the beautiful stonework in the shower. Next up, we're going to check out suite number 4. We love all of the gardening here and the beautiful colors. It is so tropical and fun. Unit 4 is similar to Unit 2 in that it is big, bright, and spacious. You have a plush king bed, a huge fridge, and this unit has microwave, toaster oven, and stovetop. One of Anguilla's most affordable hotels, Arawak's rooms are extra high value. And you can't talk about Arawak without talking about its picture-perfect setting here in the East End. Gazing out to that view reminds you, you are just 2 seconds away from Scilly Cay. Arawak has stand-up paddleboards and kayaks for you to use. Either paddle over or catch the Scilly Cay boat. Scilly Cay is one of Anguilla's top offshore islands for a day of fun, sun, and of course, yums. This is where you'll find the best lobster on the island. Bay East is only 5 minutes away. This beach has been voted #1 in the Caribbean time and time again. With those blue waters, soft sands, an infinite number of reefs to snorkel, it's not hard to see why this beach ranks as #1. Another reason why we love Arawak and Nats Palm Grove is within easy reach. Stop by for a tasty barbecue lunch complete with the island's best Johnny cakes. After indulging with Nat, take in the sea breeze and feel totally at ease. When the sun goes down and your stomach rumbles, Arawak is just down the road from Anguilla's best pizza. Watching Jurgen make these pies is truly a work of art. That's not all. Arawak has a warm family feel. From the moment you step foot on the property, you're home. Arawak has a lot more coming soon, so stay tuned for those updates. Until then, click the link in the description below to book your stay. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. We'll see you next time.